S.S. Rajamouli's magnum opus RRR's trailer was launched today. The launch event, which was held in Mumbai, was attended by Junior NTR, Alia Bhatt, Ajay Devgan and S.S. Rajamouli.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, the person who I said is responsible for bringing the entire Indian film industry together, and he is one of our favorite storytellers. That's what he calls himself. Give it up for Mr. S.S. Rajamouli, please. Ek Nari Sab Pe Bhari. So, ladies and gentlemen, Alia Bhatt. And now, ladies and gentlemen, versatility जो है वो उनका दूसरा नाम है. You know who I am talking about. Give it up for Mr. Ajay Devgan.
Superstar Ram Charan did not attend the trailer launch, as it has been reported that he's caught up with a wedding in his family. Alia Bhatt sizzled in a red sari and looked absolutely stunning. Ajay Devgan and Junior NTR were both seen in a casual yet smart black shirt. RRR's much anticipated trailer was released on Thursday and was screened in select theatres across the country. The trailer was supposed to be released online around 4 p.m. However, the makers preponed the release time at a short notice. In a media interaction after the screening of the trailer, the cast and the director answered interesting questions and shared some funny moments from the sets of RRR.
So, in the meantime, sir, what would you like to say to that response jo abhi mila, sir? Thunderous response.
Yeah, when we get this kind of response, usually we don't respond, no? We just sit and enjoy it fully. The response is what we have been waiting for, like almost 3 years now. And just waiting for these kind of moments. We make films for these kind of moments and it is fantastic.
मैं obviously अपनी खुद की entry के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. But honestly, it's a magical moment for me. It's just being a part of Rajamouli film spectacle. Oh my God! Like I don't think I would have ever expected this to actually come true, and it did. So thank you for that, sir.
राजामौली जी का जो सिनेमा है वो अलग नहीं है, वो एक ही सिनेमा है, इनका ही सिनेमा है. सिर्फ कोई और उस किस्म का सिनेमा बनाने की कोशिश करता भी होगा तो आई थिंक बहुत मुश्किल है अचीव करना. सो इनकी सोच बहुत बड़ी के अलावा बिल्कुल अलग है. एंड आई रिमेंबर हिम टेलिंग मी और बहुत अर्दी है. और इन्होंने मुझे एक बात बताई थी, ये इन्होंने कैरेक्टर्स की स्टडी कहाँ से की है और हर रोज़ ये हर नए किस्म की नए वर्जन की एक महाभारत पढ़ते हैं.
Well, there is obviously a lot of people will be expecting the same kind of film after Bahubali, but we can't keep making the same films again and again. But the trick is, if you look deeply, the audience are not waiting for another Bahubali. They are waiting for the kind of experience they had in the film.
Actually, when you see, let me not talk about the business aspect in this, but as an actor, for me, Rajamouli has been one director who's always satisfied my thirst of wanting to do something new. Something, an actor should not be very comfortable. He should not. And Rajamouli is one of the very, very, very few directors who's tickled that part in me. It's not only the films he does with me, but in general also, when we discuss, he's been a very close friend for a very long time in my life. And when I discuss scripts, he's this person in my life who pushes me to get out of my comfort zone.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.